Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another video breakdown of my daily Python coding challenges. If you would like to try any on your own, keep in mind I leave that link down in the description for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So the instruction is to write a Python function that accepts a string and checks if the string starts with hello. Let me move this over again. If it does, return true. If not, return false. And it wants us to use regular expressions in our solution. So let's go ahead and get started. As it mentioned, we will be using regular expressions to create our solution. So I went ahead and I Googled regular expressions just so I can refresh myself and remember how you go about using that built-in library. So right now I am on a website called W3 Schools. So we're going to use this to help us come up with our solution. So the first thing we want to do is we want to import the package that we'll be using it. And as you see, I have that imported here at the top. And also it gives some examples. The first example is to search the string and see if it starts with the and ends with Spain. And then you are assigning that to a variable. And if you click, they show you an example of how to return different strings based on the results. So we can use this to kind of come up with our solution, but we could just change it a little bit to match what we're looking for. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the original site, and we are going to create a variable as well. And we can name it anything we want. We can just name it, let's name it hello. Hello is equal to, and then re dot search a dot search, and then inside of here we want to tell it what we're looking for. So we're looking whether or not it begins with hello. So inside the string we'll put the upper little arrow symbol and the uppercase hello. And then what we wanted to check is some string, the string that the user will pass into the argument. Okay, so now that we have that here, let's go back and look at their example and see how they do their conditional. So they're saying if this search here is correct, then it will return a statement. Yes, we have a match. Else, no match. So let's essentially do the same thing. So we'll say if hello, not help, hello, then we are going to return true. And then else, we're going to return false. And there you go. So let's go ahead and test this out and see if it is working correctly. And as you can see, it is coming back true because in our first test here in our main, we have hello as the first word in the string, and then false because in the second one, we're starting with this, and everything looks correct. Let me know how you went about solving it, and let me know if you have any tips for me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.